Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've done a couple of videos on this exact same thing, but to maybe make it a little less confusing, I had somebody email me and could not find back a page. I have it up here, and this is what he wants to do because I use it all the time. So if you want to put that to the back of page, you just hit that right there, and it puts it in the back of page. But he was trying to watch my video in customization in commands, and there's no backup page. Well, it's actually because it's called to backup page. So if you don't know what exactly it is, and you don't even know, you could be show all items, go up to object where you know it is, go to order, go to backup page, and it will click on backup page, even though it's not highlighted, you can click it on. And there's your backup page. It'll actually find it, and then hold down your Alt button and drag it to the side, and then that's your back to the page, and then you have to hit OK. Now all you have to do is move it up to your up here. I'm not going to do it because I've already got it up there. And then once you've got it up there, you do want to go to Tools and save setting as default. So it'll stay there the next time you turn on Corel Draw. But it is a cool item if you want to put that blue to the back of page. And this helps you in a lot of situations. Instead of, that's one click instead of going object, order, back of page. 3 steps versus 1. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.